Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to start and set the parameters in SOFAR inverter. So you can see this inverter is already on. So I'll try to teach you how to set the parameters for this inverter. It is actually in run condition right now. Yeah, now the screen is visible. The LED is glowing right now. This is the button. You have to press it once. The LED will start glowing and it will show all the normal parameters, generation and everything. If you have to enter the setting for the very first time, you have to set the parameters such as date, time, NSET country code and country code. So you have to press this for a long time. So you will enter the setting. So now you have the enter setting option, so you have to press it again for a long time to go inside this enter setting. So yes, now you have the set time. So set time, if you want to set time, then again you have to do long press, then yeah, time is here, you can set the time. Okay, once you are done setting this, yeah, this long press to move. Yeah, we are done with setting time. Time right now is 3:53. So we have set the date and time. Now yeah, it's successfully done. Now what we have to do is, yeah, again click on this set time. Now you have to set the NSET country. So NSET country code is 0001. So you long press this one and you will enter the NSET country code. Input password is 0001 0001. So as of now I am not going to set this because it was already set up, fitted in the system. So as of set country, set country you have to set India. Okay, that's it. So nothing, you don't have to set up anything else. So again I'll show. You have to first do a long press, enter settings, then you have to set the time. Here you will set date also, set then NSET country code and set country 4, number 4. So it will be 0001 0001. Then you have to enter set country, that will be India higher. Okay, that's it. You don't have to set anything else and your inverter will start.